Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. My name's Jackson, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell securities inside the new updated Etrade app. After we have our account set up, we're going to go ahead and sign in. You can see here I have Etrade in the top right corner. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. After you open the app, it's going to present you with a biometric authentication if you have biometric set up. I prefer this on an iOS device. It'll probably ask you to use FaceTime. I'm on an Android, so this is asking me to use fingerprint, which I prefer much more. After you authenticate, you are greeted with a number of things on the screen. You have your net assets in the top left corner. Then you have your day gain, the indicators for the Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P, and then the futures, of course. But what we're focused on is we want to know how to buy and sell securities. So I have 3 accounts here. I really only use 2 of them. I'm going to go ahead and just click on my Roth account since it has the most money. Now that we know which account we want to buy our securities on, we're going to go ahead and click the search button at the top right corner. This is going to greet us with a symbol or company that we can look up and purchase a security on. So for this example, I'll just be doing the SPY because that's just a global ETF, but feel free to pick any company you like that you're interested in purchasing. After we've decided which company we want to purchase, we're going to go ahead and click the trade button. Now that we've got our account queued up, we're going to go to the order type and we're going to select buy. Quantity is going to be up to however many you want to purchase. A really handy feature is Etrade does have a calculator built in. So say you want to spend, I don't know, like $20,000 and you just want to know how many shares you can buy. It will tell you how many you are available to purchase given the amount of funds that you're willing to spend. The next thing is the market type. I've talked about this in my desktop video, so I won't go into a lot of details here. Feel free to watch that video. I'll link it down below. But this just states what the order type you want to actually do. We want to do a market. And good for day, we'll just leave it as there. We'll go ahead and hit preview. And then this is where you would hit place order. Now to sell a security, you actually want to do something a little bit different. You would think that you would just go up to the top here and look up the symbol you want to sell and go about that way, but there's actually an easier way. What you can do is go to your portfolio here and then click on the security that you want to sell. Let's say I want to sell Aflac, then you can go ahead and click the sell button and it will already pre-populate it with the quantity right here. So if you were paid a dividend and you're enrolled in DRIP and you're getting using the dividend reinvestment to go out and buy more shares, it's already going to populate the amount of total shares you want to sell, pending that you want to close out this position. If you don't want to close this position, then you can just change it to whatever you want to sell. If you just want to sell 5 shares, you can do so. For this, again, we want to leave it at sell. It's already populated with us because we've indicated we want to sell on the previous page. And the market type, the sell type, we'll just leave it at market. And then you'd go ahead and click preview, and then it will tell you about fractional shares. Etrade does not do fractional shares for buying, but it will let you do them for selling. And then you could go ahead and hit place order. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and you found it educational. If you did, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to see more content similar to this. Thanks again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.